Tavares' plans to retire in 2026 reveal mounting scrutiny from union leaders and stakeholders, signaling a shift in the corporate landscape. This announcement holds significance amidst ongoing labor disputes. His leadership emphasizes efficiency and profitability, often neglecting employee welfare. This has sparked concerns regarding the repercussions of cost-cutting measures on the workforce, cultivating a controversial reputation within the industry. Recent plant closures, a product of Tavares' strategy to trim operational costs, have fostered uncertainty among many employees concerning their job security. This scenario highlights the challenging balance between financial performance and workforce stability. The repercussions of workforce reductions inflict financial strain on families and contribute to an unstable future, drawing attention to the human implications of corporate strategies. This has triggered outrage from labor unions. While operational streamlining aims to foster a more efficient company, it often leads employees to juggle multiple roles, intensifying workplace pressure. This situation risks exacerbating an already strained work environment. The emphasis on short-term financial gains threatens product quality, potentially eroding consumer trust. Such a trajectory could unravel the company's reputation in the long run. In response to competitors investing significantly in electric vehicles and sustainable practices, Stellantis faces escalating pressure to innovate. Failure to adapt might result in considerable market share losses to more agile firms. The United Auto Workers have voiced concerns about job security, asserting that cost-cutting initiatives jeopardize livelihoods and breed instability within the workforce. This underscores the necessity of labor rights in corporate decision-making. Fair compensation has become a contentious issue, as union leaders contend that workers are overlooked while executives pursue profits. This disparity accentuates the need for equitable treatment of employees. The disconnect between corporate profits and employee pay engenders morale issues, leading workers to feel undervalued despite their critical contributions to organizational success. Recent labor movements, including historic strikes, demonstrate a shift in employee power as union members come together to advocate for better working conditions and fair compensation. Stellantis is under pressure to recalibrate its corporate strategies to address labor concerns while ensuring profitability, showcasing the imperative of balancing employee welfare with business success. Fain's leadership could serve as a model for unions across various sectors, promoting transparency and active member engagement. This approach may catalyze substantial changes in labor relations. Success for the United Auto Workers might inspire other labor organizations to adopt more assertive negotiation strategies, championing workers' rights and benefits. The rising visibility of labor issues may compel corporations to reevaluate their treatment of employees, leading to critical discussions surrounding corporate responsibility and ethical business practices. Union mobilization can foster active worker engagement, bolstering solidarity and enhancing the bargaining position during negotiations. This could potentially influence contract outcomes significantly. The transition to electric vehicles necessitates retraining programs and job guarantees to alleviate workers' anxieties about job security amidst this transformative industry period. Globalization adds complexity to labor relations, as manufacturers often prioritize efficiencies that may overlook local labor concerns. This dynamic risks creating unrest and a fragmented workforce.